Hi, in this video, we introduce how to add your Petfon GPS tracker into your COTX Device App and how to top up your account to get more Helium data credit for your Petfon tracker. So once you install COTX Device App and open it, you can see the sign up and login page here. So you can provide your email address and to finish the sign up process. So you must provide a valid email address, and we're gonna send a verification code to your email address, and you input the verification code here and set up a password to log in to the Petfon page. So once this sign up process done, and you can log in, you can see the main page here, and once you log in, you have to choose in uh, the working mode for your Petfon tracker. So you can choose helium only mode. Normally, if you only buy a Petfon tracker for helium only networks, that means you have to choose in helium only mode. So that means the Petfon will try to find helium network in your neighborhood and try to send GPS information through helium network to the internet and to your app. So please choose in helium only mode here. And there is an explanation what it means the helium only mode. That means the Petfon tracker will try to use in helium network to transfer GPS information. And once you enable that here, uh, please ensure your Petfon tracker is add to your charge cable, and the status is the tracker flash blue or light up green for 5 seconds, then turn off. That means your Petfon tracker is ready to be added into your COTX Device App. Then click to ensure that's working and click next. Now you can put your Petfon tracker under the cell phone viewfinder. So just put into the viewfinder. So that means at this point your COTX Device App is very close to your Petfon tracker. So these two can communicate by Bluetooth. Then we can use Bluetooth to add your Petfon tracker to the device app. So once this scan part done, this device already being recognized by the device app. So now you can set up the pet information. That means you assign a name for your Petfon tracker. So you can just input your pet's name here and confirm. So now you can see these tracker assign a name, Bluetooth is connected, but Helium Network is not. So the system uh, will assign you some free, automatically assign you some free Helium data credit. That means you can use this data credit to communicate between your tracker and your app by Helium Network. So this is a 10K data credit from Helium Network. That's a free gift from COTX company to our customers. So you can use this data credit to try your Petfon tracker in Helium Network. So you can if you open the My Account page, and you can see now you have a 10K data credit that's not being used, so that's 100% full. And of course, if you use that or your free Helium data credit, you can buy more by yourself. So now you already enabled the Helium network. You already got a Helium data credit. Now you can start using your Petfon tracker to track your pet. So now once you open the map page, you can see the GPS tracker is Bluetooth connected. Helium network is still connecting. It's try to connecting. It's searching. So it's connecting, and see the status is connecting, and once it's connected to the Helium network, the status will be changed. It will stop the blinking, and status will be connected. So now this GPS tracker, this Petfon tracker is connected to Helium Network. That means in this area, there are some Helium hotspots working coverage this area. And because this Petfon tracker in this example is still connected to the cell phone app in Bluetooth mode, that means this position information is the cell phone's GPS information. Once this GPS tracker is out of the Bluetooth distance, uh, they cannot communicate with your cell phone by Bluetooth, then that telephone tracker will try to send GPS information through Helium Network. And by that time, all the position information on this map will become from all transferred by Helium Network. So that's pretty much the process to add a device into COTX Device App. Now let's look how to top up this Petfon tracker. So that's quite easy. You can just go to the main menu and click My Account here. And you can see remain data credit you have. In this case, you still have a 99% full of your data credit not being used, but you can still choosing buy Helium data here to choosing different data package to get data credit. So you can buy pay $5 package, $10 or 10 or $20. For example, if you have one Petfon tracker, normally it costs you or maybe $2 per month. It depends on the uplink cycle because by COTX Device App, you can change the uplink cycle. Like by default, is 2 minutes, or you can change to like 5 minutes, 10 minutes to save battery or save the communication cost. But anyway, $5, you probably can use your Petfon tracker for like 2 months. So the communication cost is pretty cheap for Helium Network. Anyway, here you can choosing a different package and click buy, and the system will automatically display, in this case, display the information for your reference, like how many data credit you're gonna get, what's the price, what's the payment method. You can choosing credit card payment. If you choosing cryptocurrency payment, we accept HNT or USTD or maybe some other ways, but you have to they will display the deposit address for cryptocurrency payment, for example, HNT. So you have to manually transfer the HNT to that account and come back to the device app to confirm the payment success. But of course, you can pay by credit card. In this case, the system will initiate a payment page, and it would link to a COTX store and open the payment page. And in this case, you're choosing the PayPal and provide all the shipping address information here and finish the payment and the billing address information and finish the payment. That's it. Once the payment is done, if you switch back to your device app, my account, and check your account information, you can see the data credit already been top up, already been added. That's the process to top up your Helium data credit for your Petfon tracker. Thank you.